how to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. So if you want to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings. Under settings here, you can scroll down and tap on Bluetooth and devices. Under Bluetooth now, you just need to simply turn on your Bluetooth and try to connect your device. So once you've turned on, now you just need to simply go with the upper side or the notification bar of your screen, and then tap and hold on to your Bluetooth and then go with more Bluetooth settings. And here it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have all of these devices, right? So simply select a device and simply pair with a device. And once you've paired now, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the settings option, which is on the right side. And once you go with the settings, now here you will have connect option, right? So for now I have not connected to any Bluetooth. So if you've connected, then you will have an option of unpair or disconnect, like that. So you just simply go with unpair option, and you need to remove or unpair that device from your mobile device. And once you've unpaired, now you need to simply tap on forget option. Simply tap on forget and then forget the device. Once you forget it, your problem might be fixed. You can again turn on your Bluetooth and again connect with a new pair or a new device. And once you've done that, now if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. Under settings, now you need to search for power saving or battery saving, something like that. So here I have battery saver option. So if you've turned on your battery saver, or if you've turned on your power saving option, then that will delay your audio issue. So what you need to do is you just need to simply toggle that off. So toggle off your battery saver or toggle off your power saving mode, and once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with Play Store. Under Play Store, go with the search, and under search you need to search for Sound Assistant. Once you search for Sound Assistant, here you will have many applications, right? So you can simply choose an application, and then you can control your audio delay issue. So for example, I'll be choosing a volume control. Once you've chosen, now you can simply install the application, and once you've installed, you will have the volume slider in your status bar, and then you can adjust your Bluetooth volume, your media, your ring, notification, every volume that you want. And after doing that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings again. Once you open up your settings, now scroll down, and here you will have an option of system. Tap on system and go for developer options. Under developer options, now make sure that your developer options is turned on. Once you turn on your developer options, now you need to simply go with the search under your developer options, which is on the upper right. And once you go with the search, now you need to search for Bluetooth audio codec. So simply tap on Bluetooth audio codec, and here you will have that option, right? Simply tap on that option, and here it will take you to trigger Bluetooth audio codec selection. So under that, if you have put that on your default, then what you need to do is simply select the option of SBC. And once you selected SBC, then tap on OK, and your problem might be fixed. And now you can go back, and the last thing you need to do is you just need to go with your apps. So search for apps. Under apps, tap on see all apps, and here you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on show system apps, and then go with the search. Under search, now here you need to search for an app which is Bluetooth. So if you have the Bluetooth option, then simply tap on the Bluetooth, and under Bluetooth, now if you scroll down here, you may have an option of storage and cache. Tap on it, tap on clear cache, and tap on clear storage, and delete. Once you've deleted your storage, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.